Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and today I am making a broccoli salad for you. Broccoli in its natural state, raw and fresh. And you're probably like, well, that's going to be kind of weird tasting. It's actually super delicious. I have a lot of great ingredients here that goes in it. And we've cut it really fine and small, even finer and smaller than if you were using it as, an appetizer that you could have when you have those platters that you buy from the store that has carrots and it has the raw broccoli and the raw cauliflower that are bigger chunks, and you dip it in ranch. This is even better because it's really fine and small. So, in this, you do need the fresh broccoli. The substitution of the frozen is not going to work very well in this because it's not something that you'd microwave at all. So you leave it in its natural state so you get its full nutrients. And this channel is all about nutrients. So we have here our broccoli for you. And inside of the salad, you're going to have your red onions, peanuts, figs. Wonderful exotic gem, by the way. And we have our white and yellow cheddar cheese that's shredded. And we know that I can't go without a salad without bacon. And we have the real deal today, the real bacon. And for our dressing, we just have some mayo, a little Miracle Whip. I like that contrast together. A little white wine as our acid. I just find that it's a little smoother than putting actual vinegar in it, but you can use vinegar if that's what you prefer. We have a little bit of Himalayan salt, black pepper, and just a little bit of cane sugar, again, to kind of balance out some of that acid. In making our broccoli salad, I just wanted to kind of show you how I cut the florets really fine. And so all I do, these are fine already. So we want to cut off these little end stems. Anything that has end stems, like these, are really small and minute. So, like these right here, we'll definitely cut them off. And you want them to be so I separate them really with my hands. Almost like small bite-sized pieces. This is pretty good. This is fine. Again. And here, I'll just kind of make this into 3 pieces. Just separate them with my hands. Yeah. You just don't want to have the stems from the florets, but you should save them if you want to make a broccoli cheddar soup, or you want to use them to make your broth. You can do that, or you can throw them away. And a big chunk like this that I just cut off, actually, you'll see that these are already loose and apart, pretty much. So, and the reason I'm wearing gloves is because it is all RTE food right now. And everything that we're going to put in this salad to incorporate it is also RTE food. So like this, we're going to cut it all the way at the top where the floret begins. And we have all this small and loose here. And that's the goal. We want it small and loose. So right here, we're just going to cut down the floret just a little bit. The end piece of floret. And again, it starts to come apart. Our broccoli florets have vitamin B1, B6, vitamin E, and manganese. Our red onions has vitamin B6, C, potassium, folate, and magnesium. Our peanuts has vitamin E, biotin, copper, niacin, folate, manganese, and thiamine. Our figs have vitamins A, C, calcium, copper, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and iron. Our cheese has vitamin D and calcium. Our bacon has vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, selenium, and zinc. Our mayo has vitamin A, E, and K, and our Miracle Whip has vitamin K, and our white wine has vitamin B2, B6, niacin, magnesium, and riboflavin. And our cane sugar has vitamin A, C, B1, B2, B6, niacin, pantothenic acid, and our Himalayan salt has vitamins potassium, iron, calcium, magnesium. And black pepper has vitamins A, C, B1, B2, B5, B6, E, and K. Here's a real fact. 12.7% of people in metropolitan areas face food insecurity. This is largely due to the fact that not many grocery stores and marketplaces are easily accessible. So I am actually going to make our dressing first. So this is my mayo that I'm just placing in my little mixer. Okay. And I'm actually going to put a little bit, a pinch, 2, 3 cloves of the cane sugar and my Himalayan, 1 love, 2 loaves. And then I will get my black pepper here, 1 love, 1.5 love. And so I am gonna start with my mixer, my blender rather. And I'm just gonna let it take its place and do that. Now here I'm going to assemble my broccoli. I'm actually gonna try to get it all on 1/2 of the side. Okay, I think I did that somewhat. And put all my other ingredients on the other side of it. Okay, you can see, okay, red onions right here. And my cheese. I think it'll be easier if I do this. Put this down here. Okay. Who doesn't love cheese? I always say that, but it's true. Who doesn't? Unless you're allergic or you're lactose intolerant. You know, generally people love cheese. And my true friend is about to be put in here. And if you watch my channel, you know what that is. It's called Bacon Heaven. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. I'm going to leave a little bit more to garnish on the top. But I'm putting this much in here. And then the rest I will have as a garnish on the top here. And you may want to put a little bit of some love here on the broccoli since it is raw, and a little bit on the onions. A little bit more. Now Himalayan salt, you know, has less sodium than table salt or, you know, your usual salt that you tend to buy. Just put a little bit of love, a little black pepper love. Yeah. Get a little bit more in here. Okay. No. Okay, so now we're gonna mix our salad. Such a simple salad to make and so good for you. You heard all the vitamins that were in here, you know, hearty. So I'm just gonna pour our dressing and then I'm just gonna mix it all up together. All that goodness. Then we're gonna taste it. So here we are. Let's kind of like toss our salad. Well, look at our broccoli salad. Like I told you, I had reserved a little bit of the bacon that was left as a garnish. And I just added a little bit more peanuts too as the garnish. And let's get to tasting our broccoli salad. You know, I'm happy because bacon's here. So I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything. I got my bacon, try to get my fig, and of course my peanuts. Wow. Really good. If you love dipping your broccoli in ranch with this mayo Miracle Whip dressing, you'll be quite satisfied. We have that nice crunch from the peanuts, that little sweetness from the fig, and of course the creaminess from the cheese and the dressing. It's all that. And the little saltiness from the bacon. Really good. It's super healthy and simple and so fast to make. You got your protein in there from your peanuts and your bacon, your dairy and protein from the cheese, your veggie and the broccoli, your fruit from the fig. You have the whole My Plate diet right here. Listen. Don't forget to give me a virtual hug by clicking the like button. That shows me that you're enjoying what I'm putting out and creating for you. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. That definitely lets me know that you're really enjoying everything that I'm putting out, and I want to continue to do so and let you come cook with me. And share. Remember, sharing is caring. I got a little broccoli string. Sharing is caring. When you share this video with your family and friends, it's more things that you guys have together to make as a unit. Listen, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. Come back and hang out with me again because I want you to be part of the Mom Chef and family. And we just love creating new content for you. Love you. Thank you so much. Bye.